Hello everyone. Okay, so today, before going ahead, let us see the till now the points which we have seen in our fourth unit, that is introduction to quality and quality tools. Okay, in this we have seen the various definitions of quality like fitness for use, conformance to the requirements, etc. These definitions. Along with that, we have seen the dimensions of quality in manufactured products, and along with that we have seen the dimensions of quality with reference to service, and after that we have seen the cost of quality, which includes prevention cost, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, external failure cost. Also we have seen the value of quality, and along with that we have seen the Deming's PDCA cycle, PDSA cycle, also Deming's 14 point we have seen, that is Deming's 14-point management philosophy we have seen. Okay, and after that we have seen the Juron's triology. Okay, and after that we have seen the 7 quality control tools, that is check sheet, histogram, Pareto diagram, scatter diagram, flow chart, control chart, cause and effect diagram. These are what the 7 quality tools. Okay, and today we are going to see the new 7 quality tools. But uh, see here, till now in exam the old 7 quality tools are asked. So regarding these new quality tools, we'll see just the names of these tools, and we will see the brief information regarding these tools. Okay, so first quality tool is affinity diagram. Okay, so uh, the purpose of an this affinity diagram is to provide a visual presentation of grouping of large number of ideas or factors or requirement into logical set of related items to help one organize action plans in systematic manner. Okay, second, that is interrelationship diagram. The purpose of this diagram is to generate a visual representation of the relations between an effect and its causes, as well as interrelationship between the cause in complex problems. Okay, and next, that is the tree diagram. The purpose of this tree diagram is to explore ways and means to achieve an objective, and to develop a list of alternate means to reach the desired situation in a sequential order, and to present them in a visual form. Okay, this tool, like other words in the new 7, is a group tool. Okay, and this, for this diagram a brainstorming session is necessary. Okay, to collect a large number of ideas for the means to achieve the objectives. Okay, we have seen the brainstorming technique. Okay, how it performs and the steps of the brainstorming. Okay, and next, that is the matrix diagram. Okay, so in the matrix diagram's purpose is to explore the existence and the extent of relationship between individual items in two sets of factors or features or characteristics, and express them in a symbolic form that is easy to understand. Okay, so this is most frequently used to understand the relation between customer expectation and product characteristics as designed or manufactured and tested by the manufacturer. Okay, this is about matrix diagram. And matrix data analysis diagram, these are the purpose behind is to present numerical data about two sets of factors in a matrix form and analyze it to get numerical output. Okay, and the factors most often the products and product characteristics. Okay, and the purpose then is to analyze the data on several characteristics of a number of products and use the information to arrive at optimum values for the characteristics of a new product. This is about matrix data analysis. Okay, now next, that is process decision program charts. The purpose of this process decision program chart is to prepare for abnormal occurrence with low probability, okay, which may otherwise to be overlooked, and to present the occurrence as well as the necessary countermeasures to guard against such occurrences in the form of visual chart. Okay, so we are just seeing the brief information about these tools. Okay, and the last is the arrow diagram. Okay, so the arrow diagram tool, the purpose of this arrow diagram tool is to create a visual presentation of the steps of process or tasks necessary to complete a project, with special emphasis on the time taken for these activities. Okay, in this diagram provides a understanding of the schedule of various steps, and what this arrow diagram, what it does, it provides a clear understanding of the schedule of various steps in the process, which helps to monitor the process for ensuring its completion on time. Okay, so the most common application of this arrow diagram is in planning and scheduling the projects. Okay, because it involves a large number of activities. Okay, so let us see the further quality circle. Okay, so we'll see about quality circle. So in 1960, Dr. Ishikawa, a Japanese expert, he had introduced the concept of quality circle. Okay, so we'll see the detailed information regarding this further. Okay, so in this he mentioned that the participation of maximum number of people who are in the industry in quality control program. So the concept of the quality circle is based on the human resource management, okay, which is considered as one of the most important factor for improving the quality. Okay, so what is quality circle? Okay, so let us see about what is the quality circle. It is a small group of members which are working together, who meet each other with a view to analyzing and resolving work related problems. And this group consists of 7 to 10 men, okay, who meet each other at least once a week for 1 hour. Okay, and all the members should be working in, obviously, in one industry. Okay, and at the meeting they speak only about their problems and analyze the problems and find out right solutions for the same. Okay, so the basic aim behind this quality circle is that all employees will take interest in their work, they will feel a sense of belongingness towards their company, and employees suggestions employees suggestion will definitely help in solving quality related problems. Okay, so quality circle is not only limited for manufacturing firm, they can be applied for other departments also, where there is a scope for group based activities. Okay, so the definition of quality is a group of 4 to 12 people who are coming for performing, who are coming from the same area, performing similar work, who voluntarily meet on a regular basis to identify, investigate, analyze and solve their own work related problem. And this circle represents solutions to management, and is usually involved in implementing and later monitoring them. Okay, again, as I said you in previous lecture, okay, whenever I was in Kirloskar, the different persons having different departments are gathering together at one place, and they were discussing the problem regarding the product, and also they were analyzing and they were giving the solutions at one place. Okay, and out of that many suggestions, one of the best solution is implemented in the industry. Okay, so here is also same. Okay, volunteer group composed of workers which are usually under the leadership of their supervisor or an elected team leader, who are trained to identify, analyze and solve work related problem and present their solution to management in order to improve the performance of the organization and motivate and enrich the work of employees. When matured, true quality circles become self-managing, having gained the confidence of management. Now, let us see what are the needs of this quality circle. Okay, so first that is the top management support. Second one, training. Third one, provision of resources. Fourth one, delegation of responsibility. And last one, that is credit for achievements. Okay, these are what the needs of quality circles. Now, what are the objectives of quality circle? So, the objectives are to improve quality of the product, to improve the productivity of the product, and along with that, to promote consciousness among workers about quality safety and cost of production. And along with that, the objective of this quality circle is to give the opportunities to the employees to learn new techniques of identifying technical problems. And further, there is to improve the employee motivation and to allow employees to solve problems in their work area, thereby giving job satisfaction. Okay, and next objective is that to inspire more effective teamwork and develop leadership among potential employees. Okay, and along with that, to develop a proper problem solving methodology within the company and to develop healthy relationship between supervisors and subordinators. Okay, and along with that, to increase employees loyalty and commitment towards the company. Okay, and the last objective is that the recognition of proper achievements. Okay, this is what the objectives which we have seen. Now next, that is the limitations. Okay, so the limitations of the quality circle are that a large investment of money and time is required. Okay, so for this, the money and time, so it is time consuming activity. Okay, and apart from this apart from this, the limitations of this quality circle is the control of quality circle activity is difficult. Okay, and along with that, there should be a positive attitude. Okay, whatever the members are there who are involved to solve the problem, they must show the positive attitude in quality circle. Okay, and the circle deals only with problems whose solution lie within its own control. Okay, so whatever the quality circle is, it is only deal with the problems whose solution lies within its own control. Okay, and apart from this, the limitation of this quality circle is that this circle will not address the issue of pays disciplinary matters. Okay, so these are the what the quality circles limitations are there. Okay, so we have seen the quality circle meaning, the definition, need, objective, limitations. Okay, now next we are going to see the activity is that the concurrent engineering. Okay, as I said you in previous lecture regarding this concurrent engineering, so let us see the information about this concurrent engineering. So this concurrent engineering is a systematic approach to the integrate design of product and their related process, including manufacture and support. Okay, so in this we can divide this in two ways. First is traditional approach, second is concurrent engineering. So let us see in traditional approach. In traditional way, what was happening in the industry. So initially, here what? The designing of the product. Okay. After that, the verification or analysis will be performed over here. Again, based on that, the prototype is made, and after prototyping, the review is made. That means whether it is acceptable or not. And if something is there, again it is redesigned, again it is re-verified, and when it is okay, it is produced and it is tested. So whatever these three activity, it involved in a design engineering, that is design of the product, verification, analysis, and prototype. This is what the responsibility of the design engineering. And after design engineering, this review, redesign, verify, produce, test, this is related to the manufacturing test and quality services. Okay. So here what happened, as you can see, if initially all the departments persons sit together, okay, and do the brainstorming activity initially, then later all, as you see, it become easy. In conventional engineering, what happens, all the departments are gathering at initially at one place, okay, then they decide the roadmap. But here it was different. All different departments were performing different activity, but here all the departments are coming together at one place initially, and they are doing the activity of design related to the material. Okay, suppose here what happens, after performing the prototype, review will be taken, and the other departments may say the manufacturing, this material is not okay, change the material. Again they are supposed to do the redesign, verify a prototype. So this whatever the re is there, it is avoided over here. Okay, because initially as you are deciding all the things at initial place, so again you are there is no need to go the product again back. Okay, when you're all the things decide at this initial stage, then further it moves in a proper way. Okay, so this is what the concurrent engineering approach, and this is what the traditional approach. Okay, so this is one of the uh, award is there, that is Malcolm Bridge National Quality Award. Okay, so let us see the brief information about this National Quality Award. Okay, so this is a reward is actually is in USA. It is presently annually. Okay, whatever this award is there, it awarded in a USA. Okay, so here we will see it is presented annually by the President of the United States to the organization that demonstrate the quality and performance excellence. Okay, and the three awards may be given annually in each of 6 categories. Okay, so here you can see the different categories are there. So first category is regarding manufacturing, second is service company, third is small business, fourth one is education, next is healthcare, and last one is non-profit. Okay, so in this field, this award will be given in the USA. Okay, so and this award will was presented by the USA president. Okay, so this is what we have seen in fourth unit, and regarding these are the criteria for the performance excellence, leadership, that is how upper management leads the organization and how the organization leads within the community. Strategic planning, that is how the organization establishes a, and plans to implement strategic directions. Next, customer and market focus, that is how the organization builds and maintains strong lasting relationships with customers. And next criteria is measurement, analysis and knowledge management, that means how the organization uses the data to support key processes and manage performance. Next criteria is human resource focus, that means how the organization empowers and involves its workforce. Next criteria is process management, that is how the organization designs, manages and improves key processes. And the last criteria for the performance excellence, that is the business or organizational performance results. Okay, so in this you can see, that is how the organization performs in terms of customer satisfaction, finances, human resources, supplier and partner performance, operations, governance, and social responsibility, and how the organization compares to its competitors. Okay, so these are what the criteria for performance excellence. Okay, so this is what the Malcolm Bridge National Quality Award. Okay, so this is what we have seen the fourth unit. So today we are going to stop over here. Thank you.